Hi Planet patrons, I hope you are all staying home and staying safe. I have a essential craft for you to do today. I know not everyone is able to get a hold of masks. It's getting harder and harder. So I have seen a few videos around YouTube on how to make your own masks. And today we're going to do a very simple DIY no-sew mask with hopefully things you already have at home. That's the goal with this. So for this particular mask, you'll need some kind of scarf or bandana. Ideally about a 16 by 16 inch would be great. I don't have that. I'm going to cut mine down a little bit. You'll also need coffee filters. You will only need 3. And also 2 hair ties. Now, the hair ties, I will tell you, they can be very snug. So, should you happen to have actual pieces of elastic, or if you can stretch out your hair ties, either of those options are great. So, I do have 3 coffee filters here, so I just need the 3 and your scarf. So I'm going to measure mine out right now. These are, by the way, also all things you can get at Dollar Tree should you happen to be shopping for essential items there. I'm sure you could also get these at Target. I'm not sure you'd find a scarf at a grocery store, but hopefully that's the thing you already have at home, if you don't have anything else. So I'm going to measure 16 inches long. Perfect, to about the end of this stripe. That is where you want to fold it over. That way it'll be 16 by 16. I'm sorry, 16 inches long. Mine is not 16 by 16. I will show you how long it is though. This size does work. It's actually 16 by about 13. And this is a fashion scarf that I have that happened to come from Dollar Tree. Like I said, you can use a scarf, a bandana. Even if you don't have either of those, you could certainly use any maybe cotton t-shirt that you have. You could also use material from bed sheets, and actually a really great thing if you have spares of bed sheets are to use the fitted ones, because if you're going to cut that up anyway, you can also get the elastic out of it. So that's very helpful. Okay, so now I have my 16 inches wide, and I'm going to take my coffee filters here. Like I said, you want 3. So I do have 3 here, and you just want them right on top of each other. And then you're going to fold it in half, just like that. And then we want to just cut off the end. Okay. And now you're going to open your coffee filters back up again. So it should look like this. and you're going to go right in the middle of your scarf. And you're going to fold up one side and then fold down the other side. It will not be exactly even. That's okay. It's not a problem. And now once you have your scarf folded with your coffee filters in there, you're going to take your hair ties. Again, if you're using hair ties, definitely stretch them out a little bit because these can be very snug. If you have actual elastic, if you can get it from old fitted bed sheets, or if you just have some in your craft stash, that would work just as well. Might fit you a little bit better. And now you're going to take them and put them on either end of the scarf here. Just snug it right up to where your coffee filter is. You'll feel where it is. And now you're going to fold this over and open it up a little. And you're going to fold over the other side and just tuck it in. So when you're done, it should look like this. And this is the front of it. Again, this is a do-it-yourself, at home, no-sew mask. Of course, it is not going to be perfect, but this will be helpful to you when you do have to go out. And so that's it. It'll just take you a few minutes to make with hopefully items you have at home. And this is what it will look like when you're wearing it. I already made this one earlier just to see how it would work out, and that's why I recommend stretching the hair ties out so it fits you a little bit better. So I hope you found this helpful. If you make one yourself, send us a picture, show us how you did, and again, stay home, stay safe, and I will see you in the next crafting video.